Namaste students, welcome to your online math class, Unit 6, Information Processing. Today topic, pie chart. How to draw the pie chart, how to represent. So you see, representation of data in pie chart. How to represent the pie chart means a special chart that uses pie slice to show the relative size of data is called pie chart. So exact meaning, pie chart is also called a circle graph. pie chart நம்ம பார் டயக்ராம் மாதிரி நம்மளோட மெஷர்மெண்ட்டு அதை நம்மளோட டீட்டெயில்ஸை வந்து சர்க்கிள் கிராஃப் ப்ராசஸில் நம்ம இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் பண்ணுறோம். pie chart are best used to compare the part of a whole பார்ட்டோட ஒரு ஸ்லைஸையும் கம்பேர் பண்ணி நம்மளால் கன்க்ளூஷன் கொடுக்க முடியும். ஸோ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் we want to circle means ஒன் பாயிண்ட்டை ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணி தான் நம்ம சர்க்கிளை ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணி தான் நம்ம என்ன செய்வோம், சர்க்கிளை ட்ரா பண்ணுவோம். தட் ஃபிக்ஸட் பாயிண்ட் இஸ் ஏ சென்டர். கரெக்ட். தட் fixed point is a center, then each one slice is a sector. We can call sector. For each subdivision we can call sector. Okay, then that first one, draw a pie chart for the given data. So given details read panni we want to draw the pie chart. There are 60 students in a class. Students take the breakfast in the restaurant. The half of the students eat idli, the remaining half of the students eat buri, and half of the students eat dosai. So for example, நம்ம நார்மலாக we can use the pie chart means it lays to the circle, correct? ஸோ இதில் ஹாஃப் வந்து என்ன எடுத்திருக்காங்க, இந்த நம்ம இந்த அப்போது half of the students take இட்லி, அப்போது 60ல் half 30 என்ன எடுத்திருக்காங்க, இட்லி எடுக்கிறாங்க. த ரிமைனிங் ஹாஃபில் half of the students ரிமைனிங் ஹாஃபில் ஈட் பூரி. அப்போது இதில் ஒரு சப்டிவிஷன் ஸ்பிட் பண்ணி அப்போது இதில் 15 வந்து என்னவாக இருக்கணும், உனக்கு பூரியாகவும் நெக்ஸ்ட் 15 வந்து தோசையாக இருந்திருக்கும். கரெக்ட். ஸோ யூ சி, ஸோ total number of students 60. So now we consider one big circle, then half of the students idli no take the breakfast, அப்போ half split பண்ணிட்டோம், this one idli. அப்போ நம்ம measurement ரைட் பண்ணலாம், 60ல் half 30. So 30 students take idli, remaining have 30 no, 30ல் இதில் half of the students take பூரி. அப்போது இந்த 30ல் half 15 no, so 15 students take buri, remaining 15 students take dosai. So measurement write பண்ணலாம், இல்லை just wording கூட write பண்ணலாம் according my choice. Okay, then one more question. One pie chart is given there. Some subject, that language is given, Tamil, English, Telugu, Malayalam. Tamil, how many members speak? 50. English 20. Telugu 10. Malayalam 20. Some questions asking there. Answer the following questions by using the given data. Number of people who speak Tamil. Number of people, correct, 50. Correct. So that first question we want to write 50. Number of people who speak English. English how many members? 20. So we want to write 20. Then number of people who speak Malayalam. Malayalam is 20. Correct. So this place we want to write 20. Number of people who speak Telugu. How many members? You see the pie chart, then clearly give the solution. 10. Correct. So now you see, number of people who speak Tamil, English, Malayalam, Telugu asking, we want to observe the pie chart, then you write the solution. Okay, Tamil how many members, English how many members, Malayalam how many members, we want to see and write the solution. That is easy, you know, these questions. Okay, I hope. Observe the pie chart and answer the questions. So one pie chart is given, some questions is asking fruits in Kumar's shop. Apple, mango, orange, banana, some fruits is given. How many species also have? That also have some questions asking. How many fruits are there in all? Are there in all? The pie chart fully. How many fruits have? That is asking. So now you see how many fruits are there in all? Na? Total number of fruits. Apple 76. Correct. So we want to take 76, mango 52 plus 52, orange 45, then banana 22. Correct. Now you see we want to add means orange 45 means you want to change and write 45. Okay. So otherwise you 43 you write means in this also you should change according to your choice. 6 plus 2, 7, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. For 15. Remaining 1. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7, 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 195 fruits. Correct? How many fruits I have? 195 fruits have in the shop. Then second one, which fruits is the maximum in number? Which fruit means எது அதிகமான countingல இருக்கு? Which one? Correct. Exactly. Apple. Correct. So apple is 76. Maximum asking means which one? Big number. That means countable. Which one big? You see and write apple. Then how many more mangoes are there in banana? How many more mangoes are there than banana? So banana விட mangoesல எவ்வளோ அதிகமான fruits have asking. அப்போ we want to find the differentiate of mango and banana. அப்போ mangoes have 52 fruits. Banana have 22 fruit. இப்போ 52 minus 22 we get 30. அப்போ how many more means 30 fruits. Okay. Then the last one, which fruits is the least in number? Least number 22. No, you see least number is 22. So we want to write the least number of fruits banana. That number is 22. Then one more question. Draw a pie chart for favorite sports of the kids. Favorite sports of the kids, something is given: football, chess, cricket, basketball, hockey, badminton. Some favorite sports is given there. Okay, some details is given there. Some questions is asking which sports is the favorite of 58 kids. 58 kids oda favorite sports which one? You see 58 numbers which sports have. You search and write. Oh, correct. Exactly. Badminton have 58. So which sport is the favorite of 58 kids means badminton. Badminton game தான் 58 kidsக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு. Correct? Then which sports was chosen most by the kids? அதிகமான kids எந்த கேமை செலக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க ஸ்போர்ட்ஸை? You search and say 34, 23, 63, 52, 46, 58. Correct. 63 is a big highest number. So which one suitable? 63. Cricket is the most of the kids select the sports. Correct. How many kids choose hockey and chess? How many kids? Hockey how many members? Correct. 46. Then chess 23. So that is the solution. How many kids choose the hockey? Na? Hockey how many students like? 46. Chess 23. Correct. Then last one. Which sports was chosen least by the kids? Least means கம்மியான kids வந்து எந்த கேமை செலக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. which one you see, which one small number 23, which sports have chess, correct. So now you write chess is the chess was chosen least by the kids. Chess is 23 students only. Okay, now you see. So as well as favorite sports is given. Some questions asking favorite of 58 kids, 58. Which sports was chosen most by the kids? Cricket. Hockey and chess, how many kids like? 46 hockey, 23 chess. Least like by the kids, chess. Okay students, so some questions asking means you clearly observe the pie chart, then you write the solution. That is easy, no? Okay, one more question, that homework. Draw a pie chart for family budget of food, bus fare and expenses. One more, draw a pie chart for favorite foods of your friends. That you do according your choice. Pie chart la nammada 4 or 5 sectors kude draw panikalam, 5 or 10 according my choice. Pie chart you should draw, then you split off according my choice 6 or 7 sectors according your choice. Split and write the numbers, then favorite foods. Where food and bus fare, expenses, other expenses, you want to write 3 subdivision, 3 sectors only. These favorite foods 5, 7, 10 according my choice you should write. I hope you understood, I think. Okay, thank you students.